When I leave, I will be playing clicker games exclusively. Vance?
Clicker games?
Yes, idle games.
In that grave
Cookie clicker.
Bejeweled.
Bejeweled is not an idle game. Bejeweled requires quite a bit of coordination.
That stimulates the mind too much to be an idol.
Stimulates the mind too much. My mind is already so stimulated by equations and potions that a game like Bejeweled would overload my thought processes.
Well, you're dying tonight.
Oh, you're dying tonight, Letty.
Well,
I've decided to kill you for real.
If I die, I'm taking you down with me.
No.
They've got Helsing on their side, so I don't know.
Good energy, Letty. Yeah, we are taking you down, Duke, whether you like it or not.
Well,
They've hired some help.
whether I like it or not is irrelevant because I will not be going down.
Are you gonna like it?
Don't try to oddbod me, Letty. I will not yield to your choking.
As God is my witness, you will fall, and that is a promise.
Anywhere atop me, wench.
To my tickle magic.
No.
There'll be Letty's fingers upon your throat when you pass tonight, Duke.
I don't think so. I believe her fingers will be on a ham sandwich while she is eating in the woodshed after I have killed her.
I don't want a ham sandwich.
We'll be eating a ham sandwich because it is all we have.
What about pulled pork?
We do not have the budget for barbecue at this point. We no longer have the budget for barbecue. There shall only be gas station sandwiches for the crew.
Gas station's like super overpriced.
Then what would you suggest we eat, Greg? It is both low cost and demeaning.
There's bugs everywhere.
Time to eat some bugs then.
Walmart.
Yes. Will not set foot in these woods. If they do, they shall surely perish by my hand.
My Greg heads are more powerful than you could ever imagine.
You do not have any Greg heads, Greg.
Enough talk.
Greg, your head smells like my own. Why does your head smell like mine, Greg?
You tell, Greg. How do you plan to inflict any damage on the Night Sword if we cast anti-crossbow magic?
I do believe we may have to resurrect Haley after all. Her supple teat may be needed to nourish a certain person or persons who are entering into the fish tank with a polycule. I spoke to someone most interesting last night. She was quite supple of bosom and ugly of face.
Greg, we are here for you. All you need to do is call upon us.
Do, Greg.
My people will know when I call them. To the faith of God, anything is possible.
How large is
It's
your...
looking like the bad ending's quite locked in.
Fuck! Why do you keep following me?
Greg, please. Gregory, it is up to you. It is quite up to you to decide if Shitty's STD ratings will remain at 40% or jump up to 60.
Have you decided, Greg?
I have to, because you're the only hope that we have right now.
You have the pass, Greg. Choose wisely.
I employ the town crier to my need.
We need your Greg.
Guard me, man, and will help me pass.
He cannot say it for you.
Rise and to arms.
Only you, Greg. No
What
one
am
else.
I here for?
Call upon them with me.
Nope.